Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Spotify. So first actually go ahead and open up the Spotify app. So just tap open. Okay, you can find it from the home screen as well once you've installed it. Now you'll be on this page. All you need to do is come here and click on sign up free. Okay, they actually give you multiple different options. You can either do it via email or your phone number, with a Google account, or with Facebook. Okay? Now, the easiest ones would be to use a Google account or a Facebook account if you've already logged in those on your phone. You don't have to put in details such as your name and things like that. So, what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and click on continue with Google. You can also choose the other options. So, I'll use this account right here, and we'll just wait for this to load up. And there we go, guys. We have basically signed up with Google. And it's really that easy and simple.